Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to create and set up React.js application. So let's get started. Let me open here the CMD and I'm going to write the command to create the new React.js application. So the command that we have npx space create hyphen react hyphen app and name of the application I'm going to add here front end. Let's hit enter. As you can see, it start creating a new React.js application. So it will take a couple of minutes. As you can see, our React.js application started successfully. Let me close the CMD and I'm going to open this folder inside the VS Code editor. Let me open here the terminal and here I'm going to write the command to run the React.js application. So the command that we have npm start, let's hit enter. Our React.js application running locally on this link. Let me copy this. As you can see the output of the newly created React.js application. Now after that, I'm going to install Material UI library in our React.js application. So let me search here, Material UI. Let's click on the Get Started button. Go to the installation page. And I'm going to copy this command for the default installation of the Material UI. Let me run this command. As you can see, the Material UI library installed successfully. Now after that, I'm going to install the Material UI icons. Let me copy this command that we have npm install @material UI /icons material. As you can see, Material UI icons installed successfully. After installing the Material UI library, I'm going to install React Router DOM that we'll use for routing in our React.js application. So let me search here npm install React Router DOM. Let me get this command. Let's hit enter. As you can see, the React Router DOM installed successfully. Now after that, let me open here index.js and I'm going to wrap the app tag with the browser router. Move the app tag inside the browser router. On the top, I'm going to add here the import of the browser router manually. As you can see the import. That's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching.